Why do you have so much left and mine's almost gone? That's just weird. I'm just asking. That's weird.
Hi, this is What's Cooking with New Caney ISD. My name is Marie Cargill and I'm the lead culinary instructor here at Porter High School. Today we have a couple of wonderful and eager principals with us today. And this is Miss Keisha Colley from Pine Valley Middle School. And then we have Mr. Dan Carr at Woodridge Middle School. So welcome. Thank you for being here. So today we are cooking pumpkin cheesecake tartlets topped with a homemade whipped cream. Miss Colley here is going to be whipping it up with whipped cream, so we're really excited about that. You have your equipment set up, so if you could for me, take a bowl out and then we're going to separate our bowls, okay? All right. So in front of you, I do have a recipe ready to go. Just like with my students, I like us to be prepared. My beautiful assistants, Miss Jo and Miss Kimberly, they're gonna bring us our mise en place trays, and I'll explain what mise en place means and why that is important in the culinary industry. Thank you. Beautiful. So this right here is very, very important in the culinary industry, and we do this because we want to make sure that we have everything measured out and everything that we need to make this recipe a success. And so we are going to first do our heavy cream. You want to get every last bit of that heavy whipping cream out, okay? We good so far?
I don't think so. I passed this test.
Right. Yes, you have passed the test. You get an A+.
Look, I'm just shooting for a 70.
So you are going to whip up your heavy cream just by itself, and you are looking for stiff peaks. Stiff peaks.
What does that mean?
I'm trying to explain that to you.
Oh, my bad.
You're
Sorry.
interrupting me. Raise your hand. Yes. So you are going to whip it until you see it start to solidify. And then if you were to lift up your whisk attachment, you will see stiff peaks. So basically a little peak and it will not move. It'll just stay in place.
Got it.
Go ahead and start whipping. Don't be afraid. Yes. And if you want to, you can tilt it up. Okay? You see how it's starting to thicken?
Yep.
Yes? Okay. It's starting to thicken. Okay, very good. So it's gonna take a couple more minutes, so keep whisking. So when it starts to firm up all the way, you can go ahead and stop it and see if it forms that peak. Okay, go ahead and stop it. Go ahead and stop it. All right, so see how it makes, you nailed it. Yes, very good. And so if you see here how it doesn't move, how even the peak doesn't tilt, it doesn't move. So that's how you know your whipped cream is ready to go. Okay, so y'all are gonna pull these right out. And one of my beautiful helpers, if y'all could hand Mr. Carr and Miss Colley the paddle attachments over here. So they should each get a pair.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And then we're just gonna stick them in there until you hear a click. So you are gonna beat your cream cheese until it is smooth. So you're gonna do the same thing that you did with your whipped cream, but with your cream cheese.
In a separate bowl?
In the separate bowl.
On high?
On high.
No.
Don't be afraid. Okay, does that feel smooth? Okay, y'all can go ahead and stop beating. Okay, so you're gonna take your spatula and you're gonna scrape down the sides of the bowl and you're gonna get your cream cheese right in the middle. Look at y'all. Y'all are professionals. Y'all don't even need me. Y'all can just have the recipe.
Please don't go.
Okay, now that we have gotten our cream cheese nice and fluffy, we are going to, y'all already scraped down the sides of the bowl, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We're gonna add our pumpkin puree and our powdered sugar.
I figure they're all gonna go in together at some point, so whatever I grab, I'm just like that. That was brown sugar.
Just, bam, there you go. Very good. That was very, very good. And so you're gonna mix it until it's fully blended, and after it is fully blended, you're gonna stop mixing. Okay. Very good. Very pretty. Very good job.
Really good color.
Yes. All right. Beautiful. All right, look at y'all. Y'all are professionals. Light, fluffy, and creamy.
Ta-da!
We are gonna add our vanilla. So let's get our vanilla. We're also gonna add our pumpkin pie spice. Nice. Very good. It looks perfect.
I thought that meant stop.
Did you break something?
Did I
No,
break-
it looks perfect.
What was that noise?
I don't know.
So one bowl to the other.
Yes, one bowl to the other. Whatever floats your boat. Just fold
This
it in.
one, just fold it.
Yeah.
What's your must-have dish at Thanksgiving?
I love sides. I love like macaroni and cheese,
Green bean casserole.
green bean casserole with the crunchies.
What's your go-to Thanksgiving?
Man, it's pretty tough. Mashed potatoes. That's it. Just taters.
Just taters.
Potatoes and gravy.
Yes.
Good.
And gravy.
And that's it. Don't need anything else.
Garlicky mashed potatoes? No.
No.
Just
Do you like
regular.
little chunks in it or just smooth?
Smooth.
Whip it till it's smooth. Smooth.
Yeah.
and
You don't
creamy.
like a little
I could
like?
actually just get a bowl of mashed potatoes, put gravy on it, and be like, I'm good to go for Thanksgiving.
You're going to notice that it is lightening in color because we're adding the cream to it, right? And so once it's nice and folded and beautiful in there, then we're gonna add it to our beautiful little tartlets. So we are going to top this off with my homemade whipped cream recipe. It's literally just heavy whipping cream, vanilla, and sugar, and my secret ingredient, ice cream. And I know that sounds a little crazy because we're already putting vanilla, but it adds a little bit of something extra and then also helps stabilize that texture and keeps it cold. So this is really, really simple to whip up. She's going for it.
That's self-confidence,
She was
man.
not playing around. She was just like, I said quarter of a scoop. She was like, okay.
That wasn't a quarter?
Hey, that was perfect. Kick it up. Oh.
Are we ready?
So before you start mixing, we want to lock it into place. There you go. And then you're going to mix on high. What baking experience do you have prior to this venture that we have going on?
Good. So my mom is an amazing cook. I'm not. I am not, but I have learned, and I bake Christmas cookies from scratch every year for the
Love
kids
that.
to decorate. Love Christmas.
So I have a question for you, Miss Polly. What made you want to be a principal?
This is a really, really interesting story. So when I first got to New Caney, I was an assistant principal at New Caney High School, and I worked with some amazing people, and they were super supportive and was like, hey, I really think that you could do this. And so before I even applied for the position that I got here at Pine Valley, I received a little text message from a friend that was like, hey, this is available, I think you should go. Do you remember that?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm guessing that was you.
I've had some amazing support in this district, and it has been amazing. And so I think what made me want to be a principal is just seeing it done really well and seeing the impact you can have, and then have the support along the way. What about you, Mr. Carr?
I have no idea. I'm still trying to figure it out. No, I mean, I had some great mentors growing up, and it was just, I had people that told me just continue to challenge yourself no matter what. So I felt like working at New Caney High School with amazing APs and amazing principals, I was just like, you know what? Why can't I do what they're doing? And I just wanted to have that impact on kids and see what I can do. I'm like, am I good at it? Am I not? So I don't know. Every day's new. Every day's new.
We find out every single
That's
day.
it. That's it.
Well, and that's probably the best part about being a principal is that you're getting to know the kids, and every day is different. Not every day looks the same, and that's what's great about being in education in general. We get to work with our kids, we get to laugh with them, we get to poke fun at each other, and just be there for them.
Not nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Well done.
And so we do have to share the love.
Oh, absolutely.
We have to share the whipped cream love.
Okay, I can do this.
Give me a second.
You can have. You don't even like sweets. Can I?
I'm gonna just put a little dollop.
Look at that.
Daisy.
Maybe just like just a little bit more.
Okay, I mean,
Just a little
Like
bit
a
more.
snowman.
you do you. Okay.
Okay.
So the crust
Thank you.
is made of graham cracker and butter Lots of butter, because we like butter.
I'm just.
You got to get all the parts into it.
Man, you're not gonna like it.
Hand it over. You're not gonna like it.
I need a big piece.
Should we do it for cafe?
Yes.
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 She said we should do it for cafe.
With a coffee.
With coffee. Oh, yeah. Little espresso powder on top. Just like a little. boop.
Yeah, I don't
Yeah.
pumpkin either.
I don't either, and it's so good. Look at it.
back.
He's like, just saying.
Your texture is an A plus, 100% winner in the texture. I think flavor goes to Principal Carr. So
Literally
texture,
the same ingredients.
but
His
his,
were
you know what?
He did better on measure.
Yeah, I think it was all the magic. That's what it was. He had that magical car touch.
Like touch.
It's all the way you mix it.
Why do you have so much left and mine's almost gone? That's just weird. I'm just asking. That's weird.
That's what you took big bites on.
You're first in line.
Did you notice that everybody kept coming back? It's weird.
Thank you for tuning in to What's Cooking at New Caney ISD. Thank you so much, Miss Colley, for joining us, and also Principal Carr, and my beautiful, beautiful kids. Thank you so much for joining us, and we hope to see you again.